Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, or perhaps his sister. How do we make this scrumptious looking cake? Well, it's very easy. You just start with some fondant icing. We're using brown and using our hands to mould a kind of teardrop shape. We're going to use a knife to cut it. Perfect. Put that aside, get a light brown fondant icing, and we are going to cut that to a smaller version of the same shape. Using some water, we're just going to stick it on top. Excellent. Make a couple of those. Put them aside. Next, we're going to make the antlers. So, roll a sausage shape of fondant icing and cut out some sections. Nice and spiky there. Make a couple of those too. Meanwhile, get your vanilla cake and start to layer it with brown buttercream icing. Coat it in brown buttercream icing too. Smooth it all out so we can decorate it. Our favourite part. Brilliant! Now we've got lots of buttercream icing for this one. We're starting with red and green. As you can see, we've got different serrated edge nozzles to make pretty patterns that kind of look like flowers. We've got brown, red again, and we're just going to sort of go along the middle of the top of our cake. This is going to be Rudolph's sister's hair. Just fill in the gaps. Perfect. How about adding some yellow? That's a lovely contrast. A few sprinkles. We're using pearl sprinkles because they're pretty. You can use any you like. Right, time to stick in our fondant antlers. One on each side of the hair. Brilliant. Let's not forget the ears. In front of the antlers they go. There we are. Now for the eyes. We are carefully placing some chocolate eyes with eyelashes and a fondant nose. There you go. Rudolph's sister. What shall we call her? How about Rudelpha? Well, Rudelpha, I wouldn't mind a bite of you.